Okay, the first baby's coming out to play. Hi, baby. I'm gonna turn this thing up, the lighting. Hi, little baby. Come on, play with us. Hello. Oh, here comes Mama. Mama's ruining the fun. Don't move the baby. I want to watch him. She's gonna be so bossy. She's never gonna let him come out and play.
She will.
Oh, she doesn't care. She just walked on his head. She's blocking him from us. He's a pirate. Hey, kitten. Hi, little baby. So excited, kitten. Pirates, stop trying to get in the picture.
My cats are all in the picture. They're like, no, me.
Hi, little baby. Look, there's your baby. What? Don't be so mean to me.
Why aren't you killing? You love killing. No more killing.
I'm not doing anything. Go away. She's like mad. She thinks I'm doing something. I'm capturing his soul.
She doesn't like paparazzi. She's like, no paparazzi.
No pictures, please. Look at her. Da 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 da. Dude, watch your eyeball. I'm not gonna like. It's not your kitty. It's much cuter than you. Just for now. Just for now.
She's like, I have a contract with Film Magazine. They get rights to the first photograph. Can you please stop?
Hi, little babies. Oh my God, they're so cute. I'm gonna die. Hi, Mama. It's okay. No one's hurt.